Alright, what's up guys? Here's day 2 of head installation video. I'm actually live streaming this for the first time. So you can see yourself on the camera, I think. Got the GoPro going, got the live stream going, and I am going to get back into work. So I picked up my torque wrench from the shop today so I can finally torque down the head and get things squared away. When you're torquing down the head, this is the sequence that you want to torque them down to. Middle, up, down, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. Depending on who you talk to, people are going to give you different opinions on how to torque it down, up to what foot-pounds you want to torque the head down to. I like to follow the OEM guideline, and what I do is torque the head down to about 50 pounds at first, and then crank it up to 70, then up to 110 foot-pounds of torque. It obviously depends on what kind of head studs you have on your car, and also it depends on what kind of boost you're going to be pushing on your Evo. So first up, I got my torque wrench here. I'm going to set it to 50 foot-pounds, and I'm going to follow the sequence. So one up top here first, and that's 50 pounds. 2 down here, 3 up here, and follow just like that. After 15 pounds, you want to torque it up to 70 pounds. So I'm going to bring this up to 70. Sequence. Lastly, you want to torque it down at 110 pounds. And again, like I said already, depending on who you talk to, people will torque it down differently, and depending on application, you want to torque it down to different foot-pounds. But I'll torque it down to one thing here. Alright, next up I'm installing these caps. Well, actually it's already installed, I just need to torque it down to 15 pounds, which is not much. And you want to follow the sequence like this. Start in the middle and skip to the outside. So I'm gonna set my torque to 15 foot-pounds and follow the sequence. And make sure when you're doing this that your cam is at top dead center or close to it, so you don't bend your valves. And I'm actually going to spin it just a little bit. Make sure. Next up, I'm going to be installing the intake manifold. I want to put the gasket on first. It's a little tight back here. Snap that in. Okay. Okay, intake manifold, here we go. So yeah, BMWs. BMWs in North America is far more expensive to repair than it is in Europe, because in Europe you have BMWs without leather option. You have base model BMWs that doesn't even exist here in North America. When you think of BMWs here, In America, you're talking high-end, all leather, all automatic seats with fancy options. So in North America, we don't get the base models like you guys do in Europe. So I think that's where the should I say miscommunication is happening. But in general, I think Japanese cars are still cheaper to repair because parts are cheaper and it's just simply made for the most part. So that's my opinion on BMWs. Working on your car on your own beats taking to the dealership, no matter what kind of car it is. That's for sure. What BMW would you get if you could get one?
Me?
Yeah, like a fun BMW, not a daily.
M4.
M4. Man, you like the fancy stuff, huh? Those are good cars though. So expensive though.
I like
Fast luxury cars. To me, luxury and fast doesn't go hand in hand. It's either or. It's either fast or it's nice. I'll go with E30 or E36.
good
With,
cars as well, especially
Yeah, man.
the 6 cylinders are good engines.
Yeah. I love the old school Beamers. For like a V10 engine.
Do this bolts need? Is there a chance that I break them as well?
No, those are pretty strong.